Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and let me share with you how to manage, how to turn on or off the charging sounds on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it. And as you can see, actually on the second position we've got sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down and find system sound and vibration control, and as you can see here in the sound section on the third position we've got charging, which is right now turned on. So it means that after plugging in the cable you will hear the sound feedback from your device. Under it we've got also the vibration, and here on the fourth position we've got charging. So it means that obviously you will feel the vibration feedback after plugging in the cable. So in order to turn off them, to turn off all of those features, just tap on the switcher right here and right here. So it means that from now on the charging sounds and vibrations will be turned off. Of course, if you'd like to turn them on again, all you have to do is simply tap on those switchers. So actually that's all. This is how to manage charging sounds in your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.